students, today's topic is Ahar Parinamankar Bhav. Means factor are responsible for the digestion. So first we discuss about the introduction of or basic information about the Ahar Parinamankar Bhav. So here 6 Ahar Parinamankar Bhav as described in Charak Samhita are the factors which are responsible for the digestion. Each factor has specific role in the process of digestion. Friends, in today's era, lifestyle disorder like diabetes, obesity and heart disease and hypertension occurs very commonly. Behind them, a wrong dietary habit is the most important cause. Okay, so here Ahar Parinamankar Bhav is having 3 words, that is Ahar, then Parinaman and Bhav. So first is what is Ahar? Ahar means Prana, Pranabhuta, Anna. Ahar is the life of living beings, or Ahar is the base of life. Okay, we all know about Ahar types, etc. Okay, we had already discussed. Next is a Parinaman. Parinaman means final stage of digestion or metabolism of the ingested food. Okay, Parinaman means final stage of digestion or metabolism of the ingested food. Third is the Bhav. What is meaning of Bhav? Bhav means factor present in the body. Okay, factor present in the body is called as a Bhav. So here, what is the meaning of Ahar Parinamankar Bhav? Factors are responsible for digestion of the ingested food. So, what are the Ahar Parinamankar Bhav? These are 6 in number. First is Ushma. And second one is Vayu. Then Kleda, Sneha, Kala and Sanyoga. So first Ushma. Ushma means heat. Or what is the function of Ushma? Ushma Pachati means it helps in a digestion. Okay, we all know about the Ushma, Agni, etc. Ushma Pachati means it helps in a digestion. Then second one is Vayu. Vayu means Maruta. What is the function of Vayu? Vayu Apakarshati. Apakarshan is the function of Vayu. Vayu stimulates the mixing of the food. Okay, Apakarshan means mixing of the food. Then third one is a Kleda. Kleda means moisture. What is the function of Kleda? Kleda Saithilyam Apadayati means it gives lubrication to the body. It gives Saithilyam, lubrication to the body. Then fourth one is a Sneha. Sneha means unctuousness. Okay, Sneha, what is the function of Sneha? Sneha Mardava Janayati. What is the function of Sneha? It makes the food soft. Mardava, it makes the food soft. Then fifth one is a Kala. Kala means time factor. Acharya says Kalam Paryapti Abhinirvayati means proper time is required for the enzymatic action or the digestion. Okay, Kal is the one factor of the Ahar Parinamankar Bhav which is responsible for the digestion. Next is last one is a Sanyoga. Sanyoga means Sanyogas Tesham Parinama Dhatu Shamyakara. Dhatu Shamyakara means coordination of all above the factor. Coordination of all above the factor are responsible for the proper digestion. Okay, this is the basic information about Ahar Parinamankar Bhava. Let's we discuss in detail about Ahar Parinamankar Bhava one by one. Okay, so first is the Ushma. Ushma means heat. Heat. Ushma Ushmanam Pachaka Vahanni Tasya Karma Pachanam. For the Parinaman, for the transformation, heat or Agni or Vahanni is very essential. Okay, here Pachak Vahanni is to be considered as a Trayodash Agni. Trayodash Agni are Chaturagni, Saptadhatva and Panchabhutagni. So here Acharya says Ushma Pachati. Ushma Pachati means just as the flame of fire boil rice from the raw grains, just like Ushma digests the ingested food. So Ushma is compared to Agni. Ushma is compared to Agni due to its effect of the food is digested and Ahara ras is formed. Due to its effect, due to the effect of Agni, the food is digested and Ahara ras is formed. And this Ahara ras to the nourishment of rasa and raktadi dhatu. This Ahara ras gives the nourishment to the rasa raktadi dhatu. Okay, this is the basic information about Ushma. Then next is the Vayu. Vayu means Maruta. In the process of digestion, the most important function is movement. Okay, and movement is the function of Vayu. Here Vayu is to be considered as a Prana and Saman Vayu based on their Vishesh Karma. Vishesh Karma of Prana and Saman Vayu is Prano Annam Praveshakruta, means at the time of digestion, Prana Vayu push the food bolus forward. Okay, this is the function of Prana Vayu. And next one is a function of Saman Vayu. What is the function of Saman Vayu? Samano Annam Gruhyati, Pachyati, Vivechyati and Muchyati. Okay, so what is the Anna Gruhyati? Anna Gruhyati means permit the entry of the food into the Annavaha Shrotas. Okay, permit the entry of the food in Annavaha Shrotas. Then next is the Pachati. Pachati, we all know about Pachati, means the digestion of the food. Then third one is a Vivechyati. Vivechyati means it helps in a Sarakit Vibhajana. Vivechana means to divide in Sar and Kitbag of the food. Okay. Then last one is the function of Saman Vayu is Muchyati. Muchyati means it helps pushing the Kitbag of food in downward direction. Okay, in downward direction. So here Acharya says Vayu Apakarshati. Apakarshati is the function of Vata. So Vayu Apakarshati means Vayu transport the food near the side of Agni for proper digestion. And Vayu also stimulate the Agni for the digestion. So this is the function of Vayu in the process of digestion. Okay, this is the basic information about Vayu. Then third is a Kleda. Kleda means moisture. According to Acharya Charak, Kleda sarirastha jalam dravya vishesho va tatra amashayastha anna sangatasya क्लेदनात् क्लेदक. Here क्लेद is to be considered as a जल भाग present in the body, specifically क्लेदक कफ. And क्लेदक कफ is located in आमाशय. And what is the function of आमाशय? अन्न संघात. So here Acharya says क्लेद शैथिल्यम आपादयति, means it gives lubrication to the food and it helps in break down the food and making it easy for the digestion. Okay, understood about the क्लेद, or this is the importance of क्लेद in the process of digestion. Then next one is स्नेह. स्नेह means unctuousness. स्नेह देहस्य स्निग्धत्वं देहमार्दवकर मलसंगनाशनम. Okay, the function of स्नेह is, we all know, the function of स्नेह is snigdhatva. Okay, it's give a snigdhata to the body. Here Acharya says स्नेहो मार्दव जनयति. स्नेहो मार्दव जनयति means it make the food soft, and as a result of this mardav action the digestive enzymes act smoothly. Okay, so snehan also enhance the function of agni just like Ghrita. In homa, what we do in yagna, what we do in homa, continuously we put Grit in havana or homa for the agni prajvalit. Okay, for the agni prajvalit, just like Ghrita, sneha is enhance the function of agni. Other function of sneha is malasanga nashana. Malasanga nashana means it make mal soft, or we call it vibandha nashana. Sneha is vibandha nashana. So sneh is the one of the important factor for the responsible of the digestive. So fifth one is kala. Kala means time factor. कालम इति पाक कालो निशा avasanadi rupam, means for complete digestion of the food a specific time period is required. So for proper digestion of food approximately 3 to 6 hours are required depending upon the type of consumed food. Okay, so Kal is one important factor which is responsible for the digestion of the food. Next is Sanyoga. Here two meaning of Sanyoga is taking place. First is, according to Yogendra Sen, defined Sanyoga as a coordination in all above ahar parinamankar bhava. Coordination of all above ahar parinamankar bhava. And second is, according to Chakrapani, who has a commentator of Charak Samhita, Sanyoga defined as appropriate administration of the food. So here we discuss about Sanyoga, right? Acharya says Sanyoga dhatu shamyakara means appropriate administration of the food. It brings about equilibrium of the dhatu. Okay, dhatu means dhatu samyakara, equilibrium of the dhatu samyakara. For the appropriate administration of the food, one has to follow all the rules explained in the Ahar Vidhi Vidana and Ahar Vidhi Vishesha Ayatana, that are Ushnam, Snigdham, Matravata Sevana, etc. So, all Ahar Parinamankar Bhava are responsible for the process of transformation of the ingested food into minute particle which can be absorbed by all tissue of the body. Okay, and so balance of all ahar parinamankar bhava is required for a proper digestion. Okay, this is the basic information about ahar parinamankar bhava. Thank you for listening.